National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for waters from Fire Island Inlet to Montauk Point, New York from 20 to 40 nautical miles until 5:15 a.m. At 4:09 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing a waterspout 20 nautical miles southeast of buoy 44025, moving northeast at 40 knots. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 5:15 a.m. for the following marine location: Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Montauk Point, New York from 20 to 40 nautical miles.